Hi guys, in this video we talk about Nokia N73 Pro versus OnePlus 12. The Nokia N73 Pro launched on March 2024 with the price tag of $1,099. The OnePlus 12 launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $1,100. The dimension is same, not much difference, and the weight of these devices. The Nokia N73 Pro come with 220 grams and the OnePlus 12 come with 223 grams. The both device built with front and back glass and aluminium frame and dual SIM support. The display type OnePlus 12 come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color, and the same Nokia N73 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color. The size, the Nokia N73 Pro come with 6.81 inches display and the OnePlus 12 come with 6.82 inches display. The resolution, the both device come with 2K screen resolution and the PPI dynasty. The Nokia N73 Pro come with 518 and the OnePlus 12 come with 510. The refresh rate is same, 120Hz. The screen to body ratio, the Nokia N73 Pro come with 92.1% and the Oppo and the OnePlus 12 come with 91.3%. The protection, the Nokia N73 Pro come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and the same OnePlus 12 Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. The screen brightness, the OnePlus 12 come with 4500 nits peak of brightness and the Nokia N73 Pro come with 4000 nits peak of brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The Nokia N73 Pro come with 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 8K 30fps with the OnePlus 12 come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide, 64 megapixel periscope telephoto with Hasselblad color calibration, and it's record 8K 30fps with. Let's talk about the front camera. The Nokia N73 Pro come with 32 megapixel selfie camera and it's record 4K 30fps video, and the same OnePlus 12 come with 32 megapixel selfie camera and it's record 4K 30fps video. Let's talk about platform. The Nokia N73 Pro and the OnePlus 12 come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4 and the chipset is same Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset, and the GPU, the both device come with Adreno 750 and OnePlus 12 come with Android 14 Oxygen OS 14 operating system, and the Nokia N73 Pro come with Android 14. The memory, the OnePlus 12 come with 12GB, 16GB and 24GB of RAM, and the Nokia N73 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. And the internal storage, is same 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage in both mobiles. No SD card support in both mobiles. Let's talk about the battery setup. The Nokia N73 Pro come with 5400 mAh battery and the OnePlus 12 come with 5400 mAh battery. The fast charging, the OnePlus 12 come with 100 watt fast charging and the Nokia N73 Pro come with 90 watt fast charging. The wireless charging, the Nokia N73 Pro come with 50 watt wireless charging and the OnePlus 12 come with 50 watt wireless charging too. And the both mobile also come with 5G network support. The common and feature is same, but the Nokia N73 Pro come with IP68 rating and the OnePlus 12 come with IP65 rating. Let's go to the result. The Nokia N73 Pro got 25 points and the OnePlus 12 got 26 points.